Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we will be sharing an important information about Accenture Welcome Kit unboxing, which I got recently. And we have also made a video on Accenture Welcome Kit, which we will get at the time of onboarding, and link will be provided in the description. You can watch that video and try to share this video as much as possible so that everyone can get to know that what they will get after some days of onboarding, and try to watch this video till the end without skipping. So let us start our video.
Hello everyone. So as you all know, today we are doing the unboxing of Accenture Welcome Kit. So I've done a previous unboxing video on Accenture Welcome Kit, that is of the laptop and other accessories. So this is kind of part 2. So I'll be showing you what Welcome Kit has Accenture delivered to me. So let's start our today's video. So as you can see, it has delivered me a box. So they have given price of this box. It's approximately 749 rupees. So let's see what's inside this box. So let us start the video. Let me remove this cover. It's kind of shoe box. Okay, so here we have the box. So as you can see, there's a beautiful purple color Accenture logo over this. So let me open this box. Okay, nice. Okay, so as you can see, I've opened this box and there's a note written on this: Accenture Welcome. All the items in this box are recyclable and sourced with sustainability in mind. So these are recycled products. So Accenture has kind of changed its theme to purple. So everything is purple, including its offices and everything. So let's see what all they have got. So you can see there is a box over here, another small box. Let's keep it aside. They have given a welcome note. Welcome to Accenture, your ideas. They have given a note. We'll keep it aside. Okay, so here they have given a note, kind of notebook. Okay. It's kind of notepad. One in purple and one in white. Okay, we'll keep this also aside. Nothing here, just for packing. Okay, oh, so as you can see, there's a beautiful pen over here. It's wooden crafted. I'm very excited to see this pen. Okay, so as you can see, they have given a beautiful wooden crafted recycle pen with Accenture logo over here. Nice. I kind of expected a laptop bag as well from Accenture, but yeah, did not get bag. So I'll keep this box aside. First of all, this pen. Now we'll unbox this. Oh, this is beautiful. So as you can see, they have given same material as in pen, the wooden crafted, but this is a water bottle. Let's open. Oh, it's kind of thermos. Oh, so you can store hot water inside. Nice. The built-in quality of this water bottle and pen is really good. So this is a water bottle, a pen, and the notebooks. So we received these three things in the Accenture Welcome Kit. Yeah, I expected a little bit more, but something is better than nothing, right? So this is all about our today's video. So if you want to see any other content related to Accenture, Cognizant, you can just subscribe our YouTube channel. We'll be updating latest update relating to these companies. And also, if you want to see the part 1 of this video where I've unboxed the laptop as well, so you can just I'll give the link in the description. You can just click on the link and see that video. So thank you for watching this video, guys. This was all about our today's video. If you find our content informative, please do like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Thank you.